Hi, I'm Tim from Bosch Home Appliances, and congratulations on your new Bosch heat pump dryer. Before you start using your appliance, there are a few simple steps to follow to make sure your dryer is set up correctly and ready for its first cycle. First, remove any transport packaging from around the appliance and inside the drum. This helps to ensure the dryer is ready to operate safely. Next, place your dryer on a stable level surface. Use the adjustable feet to make sure the appliance is balanced and steady. This can help reduce vibration and noise during operation. For best drying performance, your heat pump dryer should be installed in a well-ventilated space. Always refer to your user manual for the specific installation requirements for your model. If you are planning to stack your dryer on top of a compatible Bosch washing machine, make sure to use the correct Bosch stacking kit. The required stacking kit will depend on your dryer model, and this information can be found on the product specification sheet on the Bosch website. Now it's time to connect your dryer. Plug the appliance directly into a nearby dedicated power point. Do not use extension leads or multi-plugs, as these can be a safety risk. Your Bosch heat pump dryer collects water from your clothes as condensation through the drying process. Depending on your setup, this water can be either collected in the water tank or drained directly through a drain hose. If you are using the water tank, make sure it is inserted correctly and emptied periodically. Depending on your model and usage, if you prefer direct drainage, remove the stopper from the underside of the water tank and connect the drain hose as shown in your user manual. Before drying your first load of laundry, we recommend running a short empty cycle using the time program to help prepare the appliance for your first load. During first use, you may notice some new appliance sounds, such as rhythmic thudding. This can be normal as the drum support rollers settle in during early operation. You'll also want to familiarise yourself with the filters before regular use. Your dryer will include a lint filter, and some models may also include a condenser filter. Cleaning requirements can vary by model, so refer to your user manual for the correct process. Once your dryer is set up, take a moment to familiarise yourself with the control panel. Here you'll find the program selector located in the centre of the panel and key options to the right. To start your first drying cycle, load your laundry into the drum. Select your preferred program, adjust options if needed, and press start. We hope you enjoy using your new Bosch heat pump dryer and now feel more confident setting it up for first use. If you have any further questions, refer to your user manual or head to our website for more details.